see this yet?
I have. I don't know what I hate about it the most, the ad or the car.
You know, they did one last year, same kind of smirk. Remember Think Small? It was a half-page ad and a full-page buy. You could barely see the product.
I don't get it. Elvis just got back from West Germany. Why not put him in it?
They must be getting results.